Supercar weight creep. Are modern exotics too heavy? The latest generation of high-performance supercars is packing on the pounds, even with advanced materials and costly weight reduction packages. A recent test of the Lamborghini Temerario, equipped with the 37,000 pounds Allegorita pack, revealed a curb weight of 1,905 kg, a figure that raises questions about whether manufacturers are prioritizing features over fundamental performance. The rising trend of heavy supercars for decades, the mantra in supercar design has been simple: less weight equals more speed. Yet modern constraints, including hybrid systems, increasingly stringent safety standards, and luxury amenities are pushing weights upward. While manufacturers can now access advanced materials like carbon fiber and exotic alloys, the result is often a heavier vehicle that relies on raw power to compensate for the excess mass. The Lamborghini Temerario's weight is particularly striking because it comes despite the availability of a dedicated weight-saving package. The Allegorita pack removes roughly the mass of a Labrador, yet the car still tips the scales at nearly 2 metric tons. This demonstrates how difficult it has become to achieve significant weight reduction in modern supercars. The sweet spot, power-to-weight ratio, the ideal supercar weight remains a subject of debate, but many enthusiasts point to the Ferrari 458 Italia as a benchmark. Launched in 2010, the 458 delivered blistering performance with 562 bhp and a power-to-weight ratio of around 360 bhp per ton. This balance allowed for usable performance without sacrificing everyday comfort and safety features. The Porsche 911 ST, a current high-performance offering, achieves a similar power-to-weight ratio, proving that it's still possible to build lightweight, engaging supercars. However, many newer models now require 460 bhp per ton to deliver comparable results, indicating that manufacturers are compensating for heavier chassis and components with sheer horsepower. Why does this matter? The trend toward heavier supercars isn't just about numbers, it affects driving dynamics. A lighter car feels more agile, responsive, and engaging. Excess weight dulls steering feel, increases braking distances, and reduces overall driver confidence. The current trajectory suggests that manufacturers may be prioritizing features and comfort over the raw, visceral experience that once defined the supercar. Ultimately, the future of high-performance cars may hinge on whether manufacturers can overcome the weight creep, or if buyers will accept heavier, more powerful, but less balanced machines.